Effortlessly stylish for a day hike begins with thoughtful layering and functionality. The key is starting with thermal layers to keep warm and pairing them with breathable cargo shorts for comfort and ease of movement. A wide-brimmed hat not only adds a touch of chic, but provides sun protection on your outdoor escapade. Opt for a practical, fashion-forward backpack in a neutral tone to carry essentials like water and sunscreen. Embrace a natural makeup look for a fresh glow, focusing on tinted moisturizer with SPF, and keep hair tied back in a ponytail or braid for the perfect blend of utility and style. This transformation highlights how fashion can meet function, offering a seamless blend for a stylish outdoor adventure.